Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about Nepal's amendment on its citizenship law and why it has been opposed by the Madhasis. Recently, Nepal's opposition party leaders have opposed a planned changes in the existing citizenship rule of Nepal because in their parliament, members have proposed for an amendment in their citizenship rule, which states that a foreign woman marrying a Nepali national has to wait 7 years for natural citizenship. Okay, that is what is it is said in that amendment. And even though they are getting married to that man, she will get 7 rights that a foreign woman married to a Nepali national can exercise during that 7 year period. Okay, and also she will not be barred from doing some of the activities that I have listed here, like running any business and earn, use and sell any fixed and mobile assets, then make profits through business and get involved in transactions of property of any kind. So these are some of the items that they have mentioned, which the women will not be barred from doing. Okay, so a woman who is getting married to Nepali citizen can do these kind of activities. There is no problem in doing all these kind of activities, and also she will be getting all the 7 right that she has the right to get. Okay, so there is no problem for that thing, but still she will have to wait for 7 years to get the citizenship of Nepal. So that was the amendment proposed by these people, and this has been completely opposed by the opposition party of Nepal, because what they are saying is that this will be causing inconvenience for the people living in the Madhes, or this area is a border of India and Nepal. If we are looking it in the map, we can see that this is the map of Nepal, and you can see white, green and grey color in the map. Here grey color, you can see the grey color. This is the Terai regions of Nepal, and the people who are living in this area are known as Madhesis. Okay, so you can see this is having border with India of mainly UP and Bihar. So commonly we will say Madhesis are people who are living in the Terai regions of South Nepal, and they are having border with India's UP as well as Bihar. So they are having similarity to Indians. Ethnicity is similar, and usually they will have marriage relationship with Indians also. That is mainly people who are living in that border. Okay, so definitely this will be causing a lot of problem for these people. And if we are checking why Nepal has moved such a move, we have a history behind this, because recently Nepal has been continuously causing or causing a lot of problem for India, making a lot of issues. Like recently Nepal's government has completed the process of redrawing the country's political map, and in that new map that they have made, there is three Indian areas included, like Kalapani, Limpiadura and Lipuli. So they have already completed that map, and they have made constitutional amendment on that map also. So including 3 Indian areas in that map also caused an issue between the India's and Nepal's relations also. If you are checking the location of that map, this is the map of border area. So you can see this is the larger view of, this is the India, and here you can see Nepal, and this is larger view of this part. Here India is here, Nepal is here. So this part is actually India's, but in the new map created by Nepal, this is a part of Nepal. So these are the 3 cities, not cities, 3 areas of India: Limpiadura, then Kalapani and Lipuli. So what in the new map of Nepal, they have included these 3 Indian areas also into their map. Okay, so this has already created some problems, and after this amendment on the map, they have again amended their constitution regarding this citizenship rules. Anyway, this has been opposed by the opposition party, because it will be causing a lot of problem for the people who are living in the for the common people who are living in both side of India and Nepal. So that's all. Thank you.